Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 12th standard mathematics, chapter number 1, continuation of exercise 1.2. Now find the inverse of each of the following by Gauss-Jordan method. 3 subdivisions are there, we can do one by one. See here, transforming a non-singular matrix A, capital A, to the form In by applying elementary root operations is called Gauss-Jordan method. Okay, you are given a matrix, a 2 by 2 matrix. We consider the matrix as capital A. You are asked to find out that inverse of the given matrix by Gauss-Jordan method. For that, you have to consider A matrix and I matrix together. Okay, that is equal to, okay, listen carefully, A matrix, that is 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2. Here I refers identity matrix. You can write that identity matrix as 1 0 0 1. Okay, now I am going to convert this A matrix into identity matrix by using the row transformation. Automatically this identity matrix will be converted into that inverse of the given matrix. Again I tell you, this matrix, the given matrix, I am going to convert into identity matrix 1 0 0 1. If it is, automatically this identity matrix will be converted into inverse of the given matrix only by a row transformation. Okay, so put equivalent first. Here, see, particularly this has to be 1. We have to make this element as 1, here 0, here 1, here 0, because you are going to convert this matrix into identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Okay, first we have to change into 1. For that, what to do? We have to divide 2 by 2, correct? If we divide 2 by 2, we will be getting 1. So R1 implies R1 by 2. Instead of that, you can write half R2. Both same only. So you can write like this, half R1, sorry, not R2. R1 implies half R1. So I am multiplying R1 by half. Okay, if you multiply it by half, 2 into half, that is equal to 1, minus 1 into half, that is equal to minus 1 by 2, and 1 divided by half, that is 1 by 2, 1 into half, that is equal to 1 by 2, 0 into half, that is equal to 0. Just have multiplied each and every element of R1 by half. Now R2 write as it is. R2 no change at all. This is R2 5 minus 2 0 1. Now look at that, this one is 1 right now. Now with the help of this element, we have to convert this element as 0. It has to be 0, correct? With the help of this element, remember. So that I am retaining R1, no change at all, 1 minus half 0. Now I am going to change R2. R2 implies R2 minus 5 R1, correct? Here 5, it has to be minus 5, then only can get while adding 0. So R2 minus 5 R1. So for our reference, I do the calculation here. R2 that is 5 minus 2 0 1, 5 minus 2 0 1, multiply R1 by minus 5. If we multiply R1 by minus 5, 1 into minus 5 is minus 5, minus 1 by 2 into minus 5, we multiply minus into minus plus, half into 5 that is 5 by 2, 1 by 2 into minus 5 that is equal to minus 5 by 2, 0 into minus 5 that is equal to 0. Now direct addition, 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 5 by 2, 2 minus 5 by 2 you write like this, 5 by 2 minus 2. I do the calculation here. 5 by 2 minus 2, okay, that is equal to 5, 2 2s are 4 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2, write 1 by 2 here. Next 0 minus 1 minus 5 by 2 that is equal to minus 5 by 2, 1 plus 0 that is equal to 1, 0, half minus 5 by 2 1, right here 0, half minus 5 by 2, sorry this is minus 5 by 2 and 1, okay. Now we put the dot here, dot, okay. Now again equivalent symbol, so it is 1 here, 0, it has to be 1. For making this half into 1 you just multiply by 2, at the same time the 0 not to be changed, because 0 into anything is 0, so that you can multiply R2 by 2. So R1 write as it is, R2 implies 2 into R2, 2 into R2. So R1 no change, no, you can write as it is. So 1 minus half, half 0, half 0, okay. Now I am multiplying R2 by 2. If we multiply R2 by 2, 0 into 2 that is 0. Then 1 by 2 into 2, 2 get cancelled 1. Minus 5 by 2 into 2, 2 get cancelled minus 5. 1 into 2 that is equal to 2. Now we got 1 over here. So 1 here, 0 here, 1 here. It has to be 0 with the help of this element, remember. So always by row transformation only. Okay, now so R2 no change at all. So R2 write as it is, 0, 1, minus 5 and 2. Okay, now with the help of this element I am going to convert this element into 0. So here we have minus half, it has to be plus half, then only you can get 0, correct? So R1 implies, so R1 plus half R2 because R1 that is minus half, it has to be plus half, minus half plus half it will be 0. So half into R2, what is R2 here? 1, half into 1 is half. So minus half plus half will be getting 0 automatically. Okay, I do the calculation here, R1 plus half R2, R1 what it is, okay, what is R1 here? 1 minus half plus half 0. I do it here, 1 minus half plus half 0. R2 should be multiplied by half, R2 should be multiplied by half, here R2. If you multiply it by half, 0 into half that is equal to 0, 1 into half that is equal to half, minus 5 into half that is equal to minus 5 by 2, 2 into half 2 get cancelled, 1. Okay, see that 1 plus 0, 1, minus of plus half, 0, then half minus 5 by 2. I do the calculation here for your reference. Okay, I do it inside the box. Half minus 5 by 2, half minus 5 by 2, that is equal to, both the denominators are same, so common denominator, write 2 in the denominator, and 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5, that is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 by 2, that is equal to minus 2. Here minus 2. Then 0 plus 1 is 1. So we got it. 1, 0, minus 2, 1. Okay, I write here 1, 0, minus 2 and 1. Yes. Over. Now we have converted the first A matrix into identity matrix. Automatically this will be the inverse of the given matrix. Therefore, finally write the result. A inverse equals, inside that matrix, minus 2, 1, minus 5, 2. Subdivision 1 is completed. Then I will be teaching that subdivision 2 now. Okay. Subdivision number 2, here it is a 3 by 3 matrix. So I consider the given matrix as A. Now as usual you have to consider A I. Okay, that is equal to A matrix 1 minus 1 0, 1 0 minus 1 6 minus 2 minus 3. Then I, you know that identity matrix of order 3, because it's a 3 by 3 matrix. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so in between you draw a line, that means separating that given matrix and identity matrix, dotted line or a straight line. You can draw like this. Okay, now put equivalent symbol. Okay, listen carefully. We have to convert this matrix into identity matrix. If it is, automatically this will be the inverse of the given matrix A. So how to convert? It has to be 1. Yes, it is 1 only, so no change of R1. So R1 write as it is. What is R1? 1 minus 1 0, 1 0 0, no change of R1. With the help of this element, we have to convert these two elements as 0. Okay, so I can go for the true transformation. R2 implies R2 minus R1, direct subtraction, very easy. 1 minus 1 0, 0 plus 1, you have to change the what sign here, minus. So 0 plus 1 plus 1, minus 1 minus 0, that is minus 1, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0 0. Next here 6, with the help of this element we have to convert this element as 0. What to do? So another row transformation, or 3 implies, or 3, here we have 6, it has to be minus 6, so that I am multiplying by minus 6, minus 6 or 1. So I do the calculation here. Okay, listen. Here R3, what is R3? 6 minus 2 minus 3, 6 minus 2 minus 3, sorry, 0 0 1 also there. I do here because no space over there. 0 0 1. Okay, now multiply R1 by minus 6. If we multiply R1 by minus 6, we'll be getting minus 6 minus 1 into minus plus 6, 0 into minus 6, 0, 1 into minus 6, minus 6, 0 into minus 6, 0, 0 into minus 6, 0. Six minus 6 0, 2 minus 2 plus 6 4, minus 3 plus 0 minus 3, 0 minus 6 minus 6, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, 0 4 minus 3. Right over here, 0 4 minus 3 minus 6 0 1, minus 6 0 1, and draw a line at the center. Okay, now look at the first column. We have 1 0 0. After that we have to convert this element as 0. This one is 1, this one is 0, correct? 0 1, sorry, 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. That is identity matrix. So already this is 1. So all the diagonal elements should be 1. Then it should be 1, it is 1 only. So with the help of this number we have to make these two elements as 0. How to do? Can go for the transformation, put equivalent. Right, there is no change of R2 because already we have 1. So write R2 as it is, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0. No change of R2. Now it has to be 0, it has to be 0. So with the help of this number only, you have to make these two elements as 0, already I told you. So here 1, here minus 1. If you add these two numbers, you will be getting 0, correct? Without changing the sign. If you add these two numbers, you will be getting 0. So R1 implies R1 plus R2. Direct addition, R1 plus R2. 1 plus 0, 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 0 minus 1, minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. Okay. Now R3. Go for R3. R3 implies we have to make this element as 0 with the help of this number only. Here 4, it has to be minus 4. So R3 minus 4 R1, correct? R3 minus 4 R1. What is R3? R3 here it is 0 minus 4 minus 3. I do the calculation here. 0 minus 4 minus 3 minus 6 0 1. Okay. Minus 6 0 1. Here I write minus 6 0 1 here. Now okay, what is here? I am multiplying R1 by minus 4. Have to multiply R1 by minus 4. Sorry, this is minus 4 R2. Sorry, extremely sorry, R3, because with the help of this element only, I have to make this element as 0, already told you. So it is not R1, R2. Okay. So multiply R1 by R2 by minus 4. R2 should be multiplied by minus 4. 0 into minus 4, 0. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. Minus 1 into minus 4, plus 4. Minus 1 into minus 4, plus 4. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. 0 into minus 4, 0. Now 0 plus 0, 0. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 8. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. And 1 plus 0 is 1. By mistake I have written minus 4. Look at that, 0 4 minus 3, 0 minus 4 minus 3 I have written. This is not minus 4, this is plus 4. So if we add 4 minus 4, we will be getting 0. Write 0 here. So what's the answer? 0 0 1. Write over here 0 0 1 and minus 2 minus 4 1, minus 2 minus 4 1. So in between draw a line. Okay, now 1 0 0 over 0 1 0 over, it has to be 0 0 1. 0 0 1. So already we have 1. So with the help of this number, we have to convert these two numbers as 0. So put equivalent. So R3 no change at all. R3 write as it is. R3 that is 0 0 1 minus 2 minus 4 1, minus 2 minus 4 1. Now I am going to change R2 and R1. Okay, listen carefully. So R2 implies, with the help of this element already I told you. So R2 implies R2. If we add, we will be getting 0, correct? R2 implies R2 plus R3. Even this has to be converted into 0 with the help of this element only. So that R1 implies R1 plus R3. So direct addition, so you can directly write. Okay, listen. R1 plus R3. R1 plus R3. So 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Then 0 minus 2, minus 2. 1 minus 4, minus 3. 0 plus 1, 1. Next, R2 implies R2 plus R3. Here R2, here R3, direct addition. Once again direct addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Minus 1 minus 2, minus 3. 1 minus 4, minus 3. That is 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay. Now at the center, draw a line. Okay, now look at the first 3 by 3 matrix. It has been converted into identity matrix, correct? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is the inverse of the given matrix A. Therefore write the answer at the last. A inverse, that is equal to, this is A inverse, minus 2 minus 3 1 minus 3 minus 3 1 minus 2 minus 4 1. So subdivision 2 also completed. Then I will be teaching subdivision 3 now. Okay. Now subdivision 3. So once again you are given 3 by 3 matrix. I consider the matrix as capital A. Consider A, I, that is A matrix 1 2 3 2 5 3, 1 2 3 2 5 3 1 0 8. Then identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay. So draw a line. This line divides the two matrices. Put the equivalent symbol. Then we have to convert this matrix into identity matrix. If you convert no, automatically this will be the inverse of the given matrix A. Okay. So it has to be 1 0 0. So it is 1 only. So with the help of this element, I am going to convert these two elements as 0. So 1 is in first row, write R1 as it is. No change of R1. So that is 1 2 3 1 0 0. Now only two transformation, one for R2 and R3. R2, here 2 it has to be minus 2, so that R2 minus 2 R1. R3, here 1, there also 1, okay, direct subtraction, R3 minus R1. Okay, so I do the calculation here. R2 minus 2 R1. So R2 write as it is 253010. R1 multiplied by minus 2, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, then 0 into minus 2, 0, 0 into minus 2, 0. So 2 minus 2, 0, 5 minus 4, 1, 3 minus 6, minus 3, 2, 0 minus 2, minus 2, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0. So 0, 1 minus 3, 0, 1 minus 3, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 2, 1, 0. Over. Now R3 implies R3 minus R1, direct subtraction, so very easy. 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 2, minus 2, 8 minus 3, 5, then 0 minus 1, minus 1, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay. Now put that equivalent. Now that first column is 1 0 0. The next column it has to be 0 1 0 0 1 0. It's 1 only, so no need to change anything. With the help of this element, we have to convert these two elements as 0. So 1 is in second row. Write R2 as it is. No change of R2. R2 0 1 minus 3 minus 2 1 0. Now only two transformation, one for R1 and another for R3. Okay, right, here 1, here 2. So what to do that? R1 implies R1 minus 2 R2, R1 minus 2 R2. Next one, R3 implies R3 plus 2 R2. Because we have minus 2, it has to be plus 2, then only can get 0. So I do the calculation. See, R1 minus 2 R2. So R1 write as it is 1 2 3 1 0 0. 1 2 3 1 0 0. Now minus 2 R2 means we have to multiply it by minus 2. If you multiply by minus 2, 0 into minus 2, 0. 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 2, that is 6. Minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 0 into minus 2, 0. So I will be getting 1 plus 0 1, 2 minus 2 0, 3 plus 6 9, 1 plus 4 5, 0 minus 2 minus 2, 0 plus 0 0, 109, 109, 5 minus 2 0, 109, 5 minus 2 0. Okay, now R3 plus 2 R2, R3 here it is 0 minus 2 5 minus 1 0 1. Right here 0 minus 2 5 minus 1 0 1. Plus 2 R2 means multiply R2 by 2, plus 2. 0 into 2 0, 1 into 2 2, minus 3 into 2 minus 6, minus 2 into 2 minus 4, 1 into 2 2, 0 into 2, 0. Zero plus 0, 0, minus 2 plus 2, 0, 5 minus 6, minus 1, minus 1, minus 4, minus 5, 0 plus 2, 2, 1 plus 0, 1. 0, 0 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 1, and minus 5 to 1, minus 5 to 1. Put the equivalent. Okay, now here 1 0 0, okay, 0 1 0 also, okay, good. Here 0 0 1, it has to be 1. For converting minus 1 into plus 1, just multiply R3 by minus 1. So R1, R2, write as it is. R3 implies minus 1 into R3. So R1 and R2, write as it is. 1 0 9 0 1 minus 3, 5 minus 2 0 minus 2 1 0, multiply R3 by minus 1. Just you have to change the sign. If you multiply by minus, automatically the sign will be changed. 0 0, write 0 0 only, minus 1 become plus 1, minus 5 becomes plus 5, plus 2 becomes minus 2, plus 1 becomes minus 1. Here we have 1. So 1 is in third row, so R3 no change at all. So write R3 as it is. 0 0 1, 0 0 1, 5 minus 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2 minus 1. Now I have to change R1 and R2, R1 and R2 with the help of this element. So here we have 1, here minus 3, it has to be plus 3, so that R2 plus 3 R3. Here we have 9, so R1 minus 9 R3, plus 9, it has to be minus 9, so 1 into minus 9, so that I am multiplying by minus 9. Okay, so I do the calculation now. R1, write as it is. 109, 5 minus 2 0, 109 5 minus 2 0. R3 should be multiplied by minus 9. 0 into minus 9 0, 0 into minus 9 0, 1 into minus 9 minus 9, 0 0 minus 9, 5 into minus 9 minus 45, minus 2 into minus 9, that is 18, minus 1 into minus 9 is plus 9. So what's the answer? 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, minus 9 plus 9 0, 5 minus 45 minus 40, and minus 2 plus 18, that is 16, and 0 plus 9 is 9. So 1 0 0, right here 1 0 0, minus 40 16 9, minus 40 16 9. Next, R2 implies R2 plus 3 R3. R2 write as it is. R2 0 1 minus 3, 0 1 minus 3, minus 2 1 0. R3 should be multiplied by 3. Have to multiply R3 by 3. If you multiply 0 0 1 into 3 3, 0 0 1 into 3 3, then 5 into 3 15, minus 2 into 3 minus 6, minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Okay, now 0 plus 0, that is a 0, 1 plus 0, 1 minus 3 plus 3, 0, 15 minus 2, that is 13, 1 minus 6 minus 5, 0 minus 3 minus 3. So write that value here. R2, that is 0, 1, 0, 13 minus 5 minus 3, 13 minus 5 minus 3. At the center, draw a line. Now look at that matrix. This is an identity matrix. Therefore, this matrix is an inverse of the given matrix A. Therefore, finally write the result. A inverse, that is equal to minus 40, 16, 9, 13, minus 5, minus 3, 5, minus 2, minus 1. So all the 3 subdivisions of problem number 3 are completed. Okay, see here, I draw a vertical line. Instead of dotting, it will be easy for you. Draw a vertical line. Slash, yes. Over. All the 3 subdivisions are all completed. Then I'll be teaching the next exercise in the next video. Thank you, children.